Did you know Autogem has been selling TPMS solutions since 2007? From November 2014, every new car in Europe must be fitted with a tyre pressure monitoring system as standard. The market is now beginning to grow rapidly, and there are millions of vehicles fitted with direct TPMS sensors on our roads today. Many of those vehicles are now subject to MOT testing, and they are coming into your workshops every single day. The opportunity for TPMS service and replacement is certainly out there, and we want to help you. So why not ramp up your TPMS sales with our free, new and improved NTDA certified e-learning course. You can start, stop and pick up the course where you left off whenever you like. The informative and fun videos take you through the various items included in your iSensor TPMS kit and then teaches you when and how to use them. We will encourage you to confidently engage with your customers through each of the relevant steps of our TPMS diagnostic workflow. And we also demonstrate how to use our various technical support tools and tell you where to go in case you get stuck. So why not enroll your team on our industry-leading training course today and enjoy watching your TPMS sales go up, up, up as a result.